On number 6, we were asked how many millimeters are in 1 inch. Now you can see we've got two conversion factors laid out here. 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, and 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. So we are going to get to use two conversion factors. Let's start with our desired answer though. We want to know how many millimeters, right? So there's our desired answer, millimeters. We need to, if that is our desired answer, that needs to be the top of our first conversion factor. So we need to figure out, do we want the first conversion factor or do we want the second conversion factor to be first in our lineup? Well, again, if our desired answer is millimeters, we need millimeters to be at the top. So we are going to go with that 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, and we're going to line it up that 10 millimeters is over 1 centimeter. Okay. So we've got our desired answer, we've got our conversion factor. Typically, we would jump straight to the given here, but check your units. Our given says we were asking about 1 inch, right? The unit there is inches. The unit we were left with down here is centimeters. There's no way centimeters is going to cancel with inches. So we're not ready for the given just yet. We are going to have to throw in another conversion factor. And luckily, they told us that there is a conversion between centimeters and inches, right? So we have centimeters at the bottom. That means we need to stack centimeters at the top so we can get those units to cancel out. So we're going to put our 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. So we've got our desired answer, we've got our conversion factor, we needed another conversion factor, and now we hope we can move on to the given. We have inches in the bottom, which means we need inches at the top. Okay, and so let's go to our given. The given said we were asking how many millimeters are in 1 inch. So let's stack our 1 inch over 1, and I think we're ready to do our math. Let's check our units just to be sure. The centimeters get to cancel, inches get to cancel. So the only thing we were left with here is millimeters. That's good. That's what we were asked for. So we're ready to multiply here. We're going to do the 10 times 2.54 times 1. We're going to get 25.4. On the bottom we have 1 times 1 times 1. That's still a 1. To take our 25.4 divided by 1, it's still going to give us 25.4. Okay, so 25.4 millimeters.